All right, just a little bit of background on this video before we get going. This is slow motion video of a squirrel eating a peanut, or not necessarily eating a peanut, but selecting to eat the peanut. We went to Five Guys hamburger place a couple days ago and brought back a few extra peanuts, which we gave to the squirrels. Now, most of the squirrels simply grabbed these peanuts, didn't know what to do with them because we usually give them peanuts that are not in the shell. This one is in the shell. Um, and this guy picks up the peanut, flips it around in his hands a few times, as you can see, and doesn't know what exactly to do with it. Decides that maybe he'll just take it home to mama and hops off into the distance. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Most of the squirrels took these peanuts away like that, didn't know what to do with them because they don't usually get a peanut with a shell on it. Perhaps they're thinking that it's an acorn and they'll take it back to their nest and store it away for the winter. Um, but as you can see, winter is almost over, so hopefully that's going to be it for the year. This is March 9th, 2026. Thanks for watching. Bye now.